does data mining work? Here we'll understand what data mining is. Data mining is like discovering data patterns. These patterns are rigorously tested. Through it, verified and validated data patterns are filtered. They create an understanding for machines. Formally, the data mining cycle works this way. It all starts with understanding the business problem. For this, the data needs to be assessed as what type of data to be collected. For this, the preparations go on and then modeling takes place. Furthermore, the collected data is to be evaluated, and after that, deployment takes place. And finally, it's time for execution. This is how the machine starts learning about answering. This mining process works using different techniques. The most common techniques are clustering and classification. Clustering. This is a commonly used data mining method. It helps splitting data sets into clusters. These clusters comprise similar type of data sets. With these, machine learning algorithms or models are prepared. Classification. It assigns items in a collection to target a category or class for accurately predicting the goal. Let's say you may predict loan applicants as low, medium, or high credit risk. Eminenture is recognized as the second most trending data mining company among top 35 competitors by Starter Story. So, if you have any query regarding data mining, Eminenture is here to help you. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, stay tuned with us.